palabras.
Dos o tres, al fin.
En la última.
Here goes. Hey, it's cool, huh? Luis.
Dale.
Okay. Se llama The Flood Came to Puerto Rico. The flood came to Puerto Rico. I'm going to try to read it to you like I read it when I first wrote it. I was a youngster then. Mucho coraje. Ahora soy, you know.
Igual.
Viejo igual. Okay. The flood came to Puerto Rico, unexpected, unwelcome, like American tourists. And it left like American tourists, taking off and leaving nothing. The flood came to Puerto Rico, and with it came geologists. They are trying to find new names for the many lakes and rivers that now exist, where towns once were, where homes once stood, where people once lived, where children once played in the warmth of afternoon suns, where the beautiful culture that is mine once sang its loveliness over hills and mountains. The flood came to Puerto Rico, and American Airlines has taken pictures for their advertisements of their new lagoons, where the Kennedy family will vacation this summer, next summer, all year round. The flood came to Puerto Rico, killing my people, drowning them in a new form of oppression, leaving them jobless, homeless, to the mercy of American kindness. We're begging hands in the air, with tears in their eyes. We're crying and dying babies in their arms, leaving them with less than what they were known to ever have. Lost, separated from their mutual love. The flood came to Puerto Rico, and with it came the Red Cross after the flood to search for Donald Trump's golf courses and summer homes.
¿Cómo era que decía el lugar de Donald Trump? Era